Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti. In our previous video, we have learned about the WordPress installation on a local server where we have installed our XAMPP server and we have configured our WordPress on the local server. Okay. Now today I will teach you regarding this dashboard of the WordPress. So let's start a video. Before the start of video, let me explain one thing to you. I just have told you that in H2 docs you need to create a folder. So I just have created a folder Bofin coders and I will create all my projects under this Bofin coders. So it's your choice. You can directly put this WordPress folder to the H2 docs. Now let's start a video. So now I will give you the introduction for all these things, but one by one with examples. So today we will discuss about the theme. So what is theme basically? It comes under appearance themes. Themes is comes under the appearance in the dashboard. Now what is theme? The screen you can see here means what you are viewing on the front end is basically your theme. This design is because of your theme. If you will change the design, that means it is coming from your theme. Okay. So now go to appearance, then go to themes. Okay. So by default, WordPress offers the three default themes 2023, 2021, and 2022. So by default, here is a 2023 theme activated. You can view here. Okay. So we can change our theme from here. There are two ways how you can add the theme to your main website. Okay. So one is from the admin dashboard. One is from the admin dashboard and second is from the files from the folder. So first of all, I will teach you how you can add your new theme to the website using the admin dashboard. Okay. You have to click this add new. You will see the popular theme, latest themes, block themes, and favorites. Okay. WordPress offers so many free themes and there are also paid themes you can avail, but for now I will teach with the free themes only. Okay. So like there are various themes, so you can select anyone. So for now I am selecting Ocean WP. Okay. First of all, you need to install this. After installation, you can also check the live preview for this one. For any theme, you can check the live preview. Okay. So here will be the sidebar, here will be the post. This is a basic theme. Now we will activate and publish. Now you can check from the themes. Your activated theme is Ocean WP. Okay. And you can check here is a different design coming from the theme. Okay, you can see Ocean WP theme. Earlier it was 2023. Okay, again you can check in your folder WordPress where you can find themes. You can find themes under WP content. Under WP content, here is a theme folder. You can check here Ocean WP. Earlier there were only 3 themes. Now there is a Ocean WP. Okay, so let me install a different one so that you can have a better idea. Like let's suppose this popular fx I'm going to install and activate this. So now I'm going to activate this. Here this theme is activated, and now when you will check in your folder WordPress content and themes, you can check here another folder of the theme is available. So this is a way how you can install and activate theme from the WordPress dashboard. And second method is you can go to the wordpress.org and you can check themes from here. Then you can download any theme from here. Like suppose I'm downloading 2019. So you can download this one and you can simply copy and paste it in your themes folder here. Okay. So let's extract this one. Here you can see 2019. Okay. Hope this is clear for you. So I will meet you in our next video where I will teach you about the next topics. Now bye bye. If you have any doubt or query, you can ask me in comments. Now bye bye for now.